最近、バンコクで、藤井風さんのワールドツアー広告を見ました。駅や商業施設のデジタルサイネージに名前が出ていて、海外での存在感が広がっていると実感します。プリマワールドツアーでは、アジアや世界を巡る日程が発表され、バンコク公演も大事な一つです。SNS で開催前から話題になり、海外ファンも楽しみにしています。藤井風さんのライブは、派手さよりも場の空気が魅力です。ピアノを弾きながら歌う静かな時間、観客と呼吸を合わせる瞬間、言葉が通じなくても音楽が距離を縮めます。国が変わっても温かい空気があります。バンコクは多くの公演が開かれる都市。藤井風さんの公演も期待が集まっています。過去の活動が積み重なり、一曲で会った人がさらに惹かれていく。その流れが国境を越えて、今回のツアーへと続いています。
Fujikaze rise across Asian continues to gather incredible momentum, and one of the clearest example can now be seen in Bangkok. Across the Thai capital, giant LED billboards, stations, and shopping malls have been filled with striking advertisements featuring the Japanese singer. The city has become the stage of the large-scale promotional campaign ahead of its Pamra tour stop later this year, creating excitement not among local fans but across social media. Bangkok has been known as one of the Southeast Asian busiest culture centers to see Fujikaze image displayed throughout. Some of the important recognizable locations says a great deal about his growing popularity. Videos of the advertisements have spread rapidly online, with people stopping to take photos and share their reaction. Fans around the world have celebrated the moment, expressing how proud they see him receive such prominent exposure overseas. Fujikaze himself also acknowledged the campaign in his own relaxed style after sharing news about Bangkok concert on Instagram. He simply wrote, "I will be there, Bangkok." The message was short, but it reflected the genuine and approachable personality that helped him connect with listeners around this world. His success in Thailand did not happen overnight. While the global viral breakthrough of Shingo Iway introduced many listeners to his music, his popularity to continue to grow because audience stay for more than a single hit. Songs such as Garden and Michi Tiako have each showcase different sides of his artistry, allowing fans to appreciate both emotional songwriting. So another reason his tour is attracted so much attention is release of Pamra Fujikaze's first English album, Language, building soul, R&B's contemporary pop, and his signature metallic style. The project represents a new chapter in his musical journey while remaining true to the sound that made him internationally recognized. Ticket demand is already expected to be intense, with pre-sales beginning before general sales open later in June. Fans for Thailand, Japan, and many other countries are preparing the travel for what could become one of the most memorable concerts of the tour. Most importantly, this achievement represents something bigger than a single performance. It highlights how a Japanese artist has steadily built lasting international support through authentic music rather than short-lived trends. For uploading piano performance online to headline one of Bangkok's largest concert venues, Fujikaze's journey continues to inspire audience across borders. As anticipation of the Pamra World Tour grows, many fans believe this Bangkok performance will be another unforgettable chapter in his remarkable international story.